The ovaries, a very important female body part.
The ovaries are two almond-sized organs on either side of the uterus. Each one takes turns releasing an egg, or an ovum, which may or may not result in a pregnancy. This process is known as ovulation. The ovaries also release powerful sex hormones like progesterone and estrogen, which affects the length of menstruation. Every woman is born with all the eggs she will ever have, approximately 1 million of them. By the time of puberty, about 300,000 remain. Of these, only 300 to 400 will be ovulated during a woman's reproductive lifetime. Which eggs are selected to mature to ovulation is still a biological mystery.
I'd like to introduce everyone to our co-host this afternoon.
This is a giant ovary.
Do you think?
I love it, love it, love it. Not only does it produce an egg every month so that you can have a baby, but also it gives you all those female hormones like the estrogen and progesterone. And what happens is every month your brain sends signals to, and those are the hormones, to your ovaries, and it starts this cycle. And basically the cycle starts where, one, it's called a primordial follicle. So if you think about that as like day one over there with the start of the follicle, as it grows, this is gonna be the egg that's released. The egg is then released, and this can take anywhere from a couple minutes to 24 hours, and it's just a beautiful process. It's released, and obviously if fertilization happens, then you have pregnancy, and this is what's left over of that follicle or cyst, and this actually produces hormones. This produces progesterone. So if the egg is fertilized, then this keeps producing progesterone so that the lining of the uterus can take the baby. If it's not fertilized, then what happens is this progesterone and estrogen that's also in here it stops, and basically you get your period. And then it forms this old corpus luteum or corpus albicans. And that's your menstrual cycle, and this is how it all works. Isn't this magical?
Wow.